Okay students, let's start with the exercise 5B. So before I start this exercise, in the last class I taught you how to compare like fractions and unlike fractions. Yes or no? So let's start with question number 1. Here in the start place, you have to place the sign after comparison. Clear? So here we see first one I have done one number. Here 2 by 9 and 5 by 9. So both are like fractions. Denominators are same. So as both are like fractions, so automatically the fraction which has greater numerator will be the greater fraction. Yes or no? Do you remember what I taught you? Now for question number 2, this is unlike fraction. Both the fractions in both the fractions denominators are different. That means these two are unlike fractions. Yes or no? So here you can apply any one method. I have applied here cross multiplication method. Now it will be easier for you if you get two fractions, two unlike fractions, and if you have to compare, better you apply this method. Clear? And if you get more than two fractions, then you can apply that converting into like fraction, that method. So after cross multiplying, you have seen both the values are 36. That means both are equal. So as both the values are equal, that means both the fractions are equal. Yes or no? Now 3 number I have also done. Here also you will do cross multiplication. After doing the cross multiplication, first one is 45, 315 ja and 13 4 ja is 52. So as 52 is greater than 45, that means by multiplying these two numbers you have got 52, and means the greater number, and among these two number which one is the numerator? 4. That means this fraction is the greater fraction. Clear or not? Understood? So these are the comparison. Next question, question number 2. Arrange the following set of fractions in ascending order. That means smallest to greatest. So now here 4 are there. It is like fraction. So for the like fraction there will be no problem. According to the numerator you will arrange. So I have done here one like fraction and one unlike fraction. See here, like fraction. So here first you choose the smallest one, smallest numerator 4 by 13. So it is the smallest one. Next 7 by 13, then 9 by 13, then 10 by 13. Clear? Now if it is means unlike fractions, like 2 number I have done. Same way here, see it is there are more than two fractions. That's why I have applied another method, that one converting into like fraction. So what you have to do first? First you have to find out the LCM of the denominators. So here I have found out, it has come 24. Now one by one fraction you consider. First 3 by 4. So what I taught you, first with the denominator you will divide the LCM, and with that quotient you will multiply both numerator and denominator. Yes or no? So 24 divided by 4, 6. With that you have multiplied both sides. Clear? So you have got 18 by 24. Same way the others two will do. After converting, what you have seen, all the denominators are same. That means now all these three fractions are like fractions. Clear? So now you arrange smallest to greatest. After arranging, in the final answer you have to write the original fraction, like 4 by 24. 4 by 24 actually which one it is? 1 by 6. So in place of 4 by 24 you have to write 1 by 6. Then 15 by 24 it is 5 by 8, and 3 by means 18 by 24 which is the greatest one, it is actually 3 by 4. So in the final answer you have to write the original fractions. Clear or not? Understood how to arrange? Same way you will do the descending order. Same way. Clear? Descending order you will do. Now question number 4. Here one word problem. See here, Ayushri and Ishani both took the same quiz test. Ayushri answered 7/8 of the questions correctly and Ishani answered 4/5 of the questions correctly. Who got a higher score? So what you can understand by seeing the question? That means you have to compare between Ayushri and Ishani. That means who got the higher score, as you have to compare. So now as it is word problem, you write little bit statement. Ayushri answered this, Ishani answered this. Now you compare. Any method you can apply. So on the basis of same concept, you will compare. So after that, which one? What is the final answer? Ayushri got a higher score. That means 7 5 ja 35, 8 4 ja 32. So 35 means 7 is the numerator here. That means this fraction is the greater fraction and 7 by 8 is Ayushri's part. Yes or no? She answered 7 8. That means Ayushri got higher score. Yes or no? So now next one is question number 5. You have to find out the values. 5 and 6 almost same type, little bit different. See here it is given of. Have you seen the word of? Of means what? Multiply. In Badmashul you know of means what? Multiply. Now how to find out the values? 1 by 7 of 14. So of means what? Multiply. Now after writing in means this line, this 14 means actually what? 14 by 1. 14 is the whole number. So as it is the whole number, its denominator is 1. So if the denominator is 1, we neglect that digit. Clear? We neglect 1. We don't write 1. If we don't write 1 also, it indicates that in the denominator 1 is there. Clear? Now in case of fractional multiplication, what we do? We can cancel numerator with denominator. Clear? Means cross we can cancel, or opposite side we cancel. We don't cancel the same side. This is the rule of fractional multiplication. When you will cancel the numbers, you can cancel the opposite number. That means with numerator you can cancel the denominator. Same side number we cannot cancel. Same side number we can multiply. So here 1 is the numerator, here also 1 is the numerator. That means 1 1 cancel, and here 7 and here 14. So 7 1 just 7, 7 2 ja what? 14. That means now I told you same side number we can multiply and opposite sides number we can cancel. So here 1 is there, 1 into 2 means what? 2, and here 1 into 1 means what? 1. 2 by 1 means actually it is what? 2. Now as I have showed you here, while you will solve this 1, you no need to write. You can write also. If you don't write, there will be no problem. Understood or not? So have you understood? In the denominator, if there is 1, we just neglect it. So we don't write 1. So 2 by 1 means it is actually 2. Clear? Now same one over here is there. 1 by 6 of 30 hours. Now here this is the unit. Hours, minutes, meter, centimeter, all are units. So if there will be units, you have to write the units also. So same way here of 1 you write as a multiply symbol. Now you do cancellation. See, now here I will not write 1. 30 is the whole number, but I will not write 1 here because directly I will do. So you also practice directly. Clear? So 1 1 it will cancel. Now 6 1 ja 6, 6 5 ja what? It is 30. That means 5 into 1, 5. And here in the denominator 1 into 1 means 1. We don't write 1. That means 5 hours. Clear, students? Now same way the rest all you will do. Now question number 6. Here also same. 2 by 5 of 30. One number I have showed. In place of you write multiply symbol in the next line. Now same way, first you do the cancellation. You can do cancel these. See now here in the earlier case there is 1, but here in the numerator some other number is there, yes or no? So first you have to see that these two numbers can be cancelled or not. Means either these two or these two you can cancel, but here 2 and 5 cannot be cancelled, yes or no? But 5 and 30 can be cancelled. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30. Now here 2 and 6 you will multiply. 2 6 ja how much? 12. And here denominator is what? 1. 1 into 1 means what? 1. So 12 by 1 means what? 12. Have you seen the difference between these two? Here 1 is there, here some other number is there. So whatever number will be there, you will multiply those numbers. That means same side numbers you can multiply and opposite side numbers you can cancel. This is the one property of fractional multiplication. Same way more one I have done. Here it is there milliliter with the unit. So first to in place of you write multiply symbol. Now you start cancelling. First you see 11 and 80 can be cancelled or not? No. So now this two you cancel. If there will be 0 0, no, first to cancel the zeros. Clear? Now you cancel 8 1 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40, and more 1 0 is left, that is 50. So now which two numbers you will multiply? 11 and 50. So 11 into 50 ml. And here denominator 1 is there, so no need to write. Now if 1 0 is there, you know how to multiply with zeros. First you will see number of zeros. Directly first place the number of zeros. Then with the rest number you multiply. So here 1 0. So 1 0 you have placed. Now which two numbers are left? 11 and 5. So 11 5 ja what? It is 55. That means 550 ml. Clear students? Have you understood how to compare? So now in the next video I will show you the MCQs and the HOTS one. Clear? So I think it's clear how to compare like fractions and unlike fractions. So complete these sums. Clear? Thank you.